It's your favorite realtor, Shonda McRae, and welcome to day 40 of my 100-day challenge. But I want to talk to y'all about something that holds a lot of people back from buying a home. That's the down payment. A lot of folks believe that you need 20% down to buy a home in Metro Atlanta. But the truth is you don't. Most loan programs only require 3 to 5% down. And the average buyer, even the first-time home buyer, puts down just 6%. So if you're eyeing a $400,000 home, it's around $24,000, not the $80,000 like people think. Still a commitment, but much more doable. And here's the exciting part. There's a Georgia program called SMART START FHA 100 that offers 100% financing, no down payment if you qualify. And guess what? It's not just for first-time buyers. It's repeat buyers as well. Again, as long as you qualify. So whether this is your first home or your fifth, don't assume you're out of reach. So DM me or click the link in my bio to schedule your one-on-one consultation, and let's talk about it. And I'm going to connect you with my trusted lenders who will help you make it possible. So let's get you into a home with excellence, rooted in integrity, and delivered with urgency. So I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 41. It's your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, Shonda McRae.